Hello, I'm David Chaston with 9 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of yet another record high for the New Zealand dollar against the euro. Over the weekend, though, China responded to criticism saying its new Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will not suffer the taint of corruption that seems to be affecting other Chinese institutions, and that it will be lean, clean and green. They are playing down concerns over transparency and standards governing this new institution, one that New Zealand signed up to early. China's Consumer Price Index rose 1.4% in March, the National Bureau of Statistics said over the weekend. And in Europe, the ECB has delivered a negative opinion of Greece's proposal to prevent mortgagee sales. This is another step in the rejection of new Greek government reform proposals. In fact, even if it survives the next 3 months teetering on the brink of bankruptcy, Greece may have blown its best chance for a long-term debt deal by alienating its Eurozone partners when it needed their support the most. Germany is expressing high levels of frustration that the Greeks seem to be avoiding reforms. In New York, US Treasury 10-year yields rose marginally at the end of last week to 1.95%. US oil price also rose slightly to $52 a barrel, and Brent crude is at $58 a barrel. The fall in the US rig count last week was the largest in a month. The international rig count is starting to fall as well, something we haven't seen before. At the same time, the IEA is expecting any deal with Iran to pump significant amounts of new crude supply into international markets. The gold price had a larger rise and starts the week at $1,207 an ounce. New Zealand dollar will start the week higher at 75.4 US cents, still very high against the Aussie at 98.2 Aussie cents, and the TWI is just on 80.8. We also have hit a record all-time high again against the sinking euro, and New Zealand dollar is now at 70.9 euro cents. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.